Hi guys, lesson 3 today. I'm telling you what, this is like super easy today. So I have the problem set right here. And all you're doing is you're talking about polygons again, just like we did in lesson 2. And I have my boards with my prefixes on them, like we looked at in lesson 2. Okay, so let's just do a quick review. These are the prefixes that come at the beginning. Remember, a polygon has the same number of sides as it does angles, and they're all closed, okay? That just means they come to that point, which is your angle. You don't have anything left open, okay? A polygon can't have anything left open. Everything is closed where all of your lines come together, okay? So we knew that tri means 3. That's the prefix tri, meaning 3. We have a triangle, okay? We marked all of our angles already. Quad, we thought of our four-wheelers with 4 tires on it. Quad means 4. We have a rectangle here with 4 sides, and it also has 4 angles. Penta was our new one. Penta, I think of the Pentagon, okay, which is a very important building, which we could go into a whole history lesson and learn about that too. Or you could go online and you could look at what the Pentagon looks like. It's a very important building in our country. So Pentagon has 5 sides. The whole building actually has 5 sides. It's pretty cool. And this is the Pentagon, okay, has 5 sides and 5 angles. These are all polygons because they have the same number of angles as they do sides. Then we have the hex prefix, which goes along with hexagon. Hex has the letter X in it, and so does the number 6. So that's how we remember hexagon has 6 sides. So I drew a hexagon over here, which we think of our beehive, okay, and inside where the honey gets put in there, the honeycomb, all of the cells had 6 sides. So a hexagon has 6 sides, and it has 6 angles, okay? And we also, in lesson 2, just kind of peeked at some shapes, and these are the same shapes we just talked about, and we went over how they have the same number of sides as they do angles, okay? So these are just things that we've already looked at this week. So when you go to do this lesson, I'm telling you what, it's super easy, okay? Again, you might want to have a ruler, or like I said, the spine of a book will work, or something that'll help you make a straight line. That's just going to help you to make sure that they all connect right, okay? So just do your best. That's all I'm asking. So it says here that you're going to draw a polygon, which we just talked about polygons, okay, with 3 angles. Well, think of a shape that has 3 angles. You're just going to draw that right here where you have the empty space. And then you're going to label number of sides and then the name of the polygon. So like if I were doing this, you know that I'd use my blue, and after I draw my shape, I'm going to mark my sides. I'm going to count them up, okay? And then I'm going to tell what shape that is that I just drew. Super, super easy. Then I hop down here, it says draw a 5-sided polygon. Well, if you're still thinking, oh, I can't remember what a 5-sided polygon is, go back to lesson 2 or hop back to your page that's lesson 2, because you already labeled all of these shapes. You had your hexagon, you had your quadrilateral, you had your triangle, and you had your pentagon. And you wrote on top how many sides they each have. You already did this. It's easy. So when you go back and you look at your lesson, you can kind of flip-flop back and forth and take a peek at it. You're simply drawing. You're labeling the sides, how many sides, okay? And maybe some of them say number of angles. That's where I would pick up my other color. This is my purple. And I would label all my angles, and then I would write it on there, okay? And then I would say what shape that is that I just drew. And you just go down through. There is one that says skip this problem, okay? It's okay to skip that. We're not together, okay? We don't have a partner here. So then, if you look on the back, it's the exact same type of thing, okay? You're going to simply just draw your polygon with 4 angles, and you're going to label your sides, count them up, write it down, tell me the name of that polygon. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. All right, guys, these lessons are not hard, and you might be flying through them, and that's okay because they all kind of build upon each other, and they're very similar. So good luck. You can do this.